All right, so today we're here with the HP Pavilion laptop. It's running very slowly. It's on Windows 10. We're going to go ahead and replace the hard drive in it, upgrading it to an SSD. So we're going to start on the back, removing the battery. Take that out of the way. And then next we're going to take the screws out of the back. All right, next we're going to go ahead and take the back cover off. And then underneath the feet, a couple more screws in the back. Front. All right, now this should come right off. All right, now that we have it open, we're gonna go ahead and take the hard drive out. So there's one screw holding the hard drive caddy down. So we'll take that out. And then disconnect from the SATA connector. And there's two screws that we need to disconnect. Okay. And then next we're going to go ahead and remove the hard drive from the caddy. Just a couple screws. Okay, so now we have the hard drive out and the caddy. Okay, next, so we'll put the SSD in the caddy. then we're going to connect it back to the computer. Just like that. And then we'll add the screw back in to hold it in place. All right, and next we're just going to put the cover back on. Snap it into place. And then screw it back down. All right, and then we'll put the rubber feet back on in the back first, and these are the thicker feet in the back. And then the smaller feet, rubber feet on the front. And they just have a little bit of rubber cement type glue holding those down in place. You shouldn't have to replace that at all. They'll hold just fine. So we're in there. Finally, we'll reattach the battery, put that back in place. So we'll go ahead and get it started up and load Windows back on.